Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of x to solve this expression. Now we solve it 5 power of x equal to, if we write as 5 power of 3. Now we simplify this power of 3 equal to 125. So 5 power of x is equal to 5 power of 3. Now we compare base to base and power to power. So 5 is equal to 5 and x equal to 3. Now the value of x is equal to 3. Now we put in real expression, so they give us 5 power of x is equal to 125. Now we put the value of x, so they give us 5 power of x equal to 3 equal to 125. So 5 power of 3, they give us 125 equal to 125. So we have left hand side equal to right hand side. So it is correct. The value of x is 3. Thanks for watching.